when we started, this is our first business, and so how to charge, what to charge, how to communicate. Those were one of our biggest challenges before um, starting with foundations.
Yeah, so before foundations, we used to like all of the administrative work, all of the like calculating how to run profitable classes, all of that. We were just winging it basically, and sweeping all of the other stuff
Under the rug.
under the rug, because hoping that we would eventually meet someone who would take care of those things for us.
When you know where the money's coming from and where it needs to go, then you get a better clear view of how to further grow the business. But in total, we are much better business owners and also better coaches.
Foundations was worth every single penny. And if you're a gym owner that feels disempowered or feels frustrated, lost, and not knowing how to serve yourself in the highest way possible, because in the end, it's about being the most empowered version of yourself. And if you don't have confidence in your business, you can be the most empowered version of yourself. So foundations really, the support, the whole approach of active life and the support they give you, it's totally worth the money